Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 15 from this light and stable platform for trade, BOUSDT.org. If you want to recharge or withdraw, go to the mine. After you go to the mine, you can see. You can recharge from here and withdraw from here. And if you want to invite your friends to earn commission team from here or here. I'll explain how to recharge. If you want to recharge, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address, TRC20 network. After you send the money to this address, click this. The money will arrive in 1 minute to your account. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. I'll explain how to trade in this platform. Click this. After you click this, you can, in this platform there is 5 minute and 1 minute signals. And there is a group for these signals every 1 minute and every 5 minutes. I will trade today with 1 minute. I have a group, special group for signals everyone. See this group, it is every hour there is signals. When every hour there is special signal in this platform everyone. See when it is perfect. In this group there is no more 5 losses everyone, and it happened 1 in the day. Like we see the next signal, it is double after 11 minutes everyone. I will waiting, I will trade with it, waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is now double. I will go to the platform and click buy, choose double, and I will start with 40 RX like we see everyone. Confirm trade, and I will waiting this time to finish. Waiting me. Like we see everyone, I win. It is double. In this group there is no losses, no more 5 losses in this platform. In this group, trade in this group every 1 hour on stage 1 minute everyone. I win more. Like we see everyone when like I say, in this group it is perfect for trading. I will go to withdraw now. Refresh the page. Like we see, increase it. I will go to withdraw from here. I will put my address wallet TRC20 for TRX there and the amount there and click withdraw, waiting me. Like we see, after I put my address wallet and the amount, I click withdraw now. Confirm. So withdraw successful everyone. I will go to withdraw. After that to my withdraw record from here. Like we see, it is my withdrawal number 15 from this great and stable platform for trade. See my withdrawal everyone. Every day I deposit and earn money from this group for single. I was waiting to write successful. After that the money will arrive in 1 minute, waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is successful and the money will arrive in 1 second to my wallet everyone. Waiting and see. The money arrived directly to my wallet everyone. I will go to my Trust Wallet and show you. See everyone, see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet after write successful. Don't forget everyone, subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms for trade like BOUSDT.org, and you will see link register with all details in the description of the video. And you will see link this group for signals in the description of the video. Join and start deposit and start trade with me everyone. Good luck.